ASAMOAH wa yebia magana. Wa maye at there. Wa maye the jubilation that we even had at the World Cup, even the first World Cup, 2006. The first goal was that was the first goal for Ghana. He's a national icon. He may have his flaws, but what the guy is going through is painful.
Because I catch him, I catch him say, oh, na be tundro, and I be a face, be a two face, and I make you laugh when we say, but they don't see those things. Laugh now, make you say anything. Say me kwa koshe go amagana, enyaji. But you Ghana, you brainwash your mono. I can't bet me about national. I'm the only player he wants to see. I'm the only player he wants to see. Keep friendly family, didn't you? Bet 3 days will come back. The Pakona, Ohumia, Okutukutumina, or the Diagino. Stanley Pakon, Ohumia, no affair.
I'm telling you, and if you are in his shoes and you know some of the sacrifices these boys they do, Stephen Appiah do baby, I say Ghana who tini a woman pioneer woman name, and on the says Stephen Appiah na went to me abobo. I Stephen Appiah ni sika nyina ya Ghana Blaster, and you but not in sika the trap plane tickets.
With my facts, Shatta Wale, he will not comply. He's a real person. So you can't tell him what to do. So it looked like people in the industry wanted to control him because he didn't allow it. They cut his music off.
Mami can't show us the society that we are in, the tenants of the society, can tenant. So by now we will society that makes the people who they are. I yeah, society people are making great they make it by themselves, not through anybody's help. Anything I said I am self-made, and then I'm meeting us here, anybody's help.
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Hello, Mawaka Baba Xposed GH is still the new year mood. Baby, I will be a my brother and but subscribe my end. ASAMOAH, Ghana's me, I call him the greatest of all time, the top scorer, 51 goals. Unti mean to me no, a cargo shaboa and an asa no boa. No me move it you be. Share penny for move to calm this guy down. Because ASAMOAH wa yebia magana. Wa maye at there. Wa maye the jubilation that we even had at the World Cup, even the first World Cup, 2006. The first goal was that was the first goal for Ghana. He's a national icon. He may have his flaws, but what the guy is going through is painful. Now, I'll come about the Black Star, baby, at Tia Koduno, or change the bane of it. I yet to say Kokonsano in every fiber of our life. I said Black Star no muno. All can no su. O doubt say, I can hear them ra.
Because I catch him, I catch him say, oh, na be tundro, and I be a face, be a two face, and I make you laugh when we say, but they don't see those things. Laugh now, make you say anything. Say me kwa koshe go amagana, enyaji. But in Ghana, you brainwash your mono. I can't bet me about national team. I'm the only player he wants to see. I'm the only player he wants to see. Keep friendly family, didn't you? Bet 3 days will come back. The Pakona, Ohumia, Okutukutumina, or the Diagino. Stanley Pakon, Ohumia, no affair. On person be with him. Because of ASAMOAH cash. Why? And to me, my time as the captain in the national team, I was alone. I only deliver on the field. I was alone. Say, Captain, Bobby. Because of brainwash, people didn't respect me as the captain. Because there were people brainwashing these kids for them to be respected. I feel them free, hold. You see? And those in Corona, you brainwash them, they regret till now. And Guana, you brainwash your mono. I'll mention him, but Muti on a wondering how they got out from the national team. San Kofona me boy. How they got out. Me generation now, or more I'm free mono. One. Now we have one. Now we have one. There are those people who they were brainwashed. I won't mention names, but me two question amamo. Me two question amamo. More answer. My generation, confirm no mu. I'm free mu 1-1. 1-1. There were those who were brainwashed to turn against me. Time is so yeah. My send me 50th goal. Me but me captain me name that so. Instead of me to celebrate my 50th goal, you were thinking about the captaincy. Me name about captain. Won't forgetting me 50th goal now. You celebrate it no milestone. You focus on me name about captain.
Yeah, so we bibi na obi wu yeah. I'm telling you. And cause at the end of if you are in his shoes and you know some of the sacrifices these boys they do, Stephen Appiah do baby or say Ghana who tini e wo me panya wo me name and no says Stephen Appiah na went to me abobo. Stephen Appiah ni sika nyina ya Ghana Blaster. E do baby no ni sika the trap play tickets. E dey na Ghana ya master Stephen Appiah. ASAMOAH, he has done a lot since at the age of 17 was Bob Black Star check. Every time now we are undermining our heroes. We don't have sense. Because ASAMOAH can you might not understand him, but if you understand, giving your all for Mother Ghana, and the people in it are what turning against you, you know so what he's saying is the truth. No, Sue. Oh, yeah. And now when we Shatta Wale, very what? It's not arrogant. It's very forthcoming. Or you'll be a savage, or a bit aggressive. What can say me person put you? Now you ba make you young from that.
With my facts, Shatta Wale, he will not comply. He's a real person. So you can't tell him what to do. So it looked like people in the industry wanted to control him because he didn't allow it. They cut his music off. Sabotage. They don't play his song. The boy went broke. And this boy comes from a good family. But he decided to go on the street. He stayed on the street. Me who no. I cried. I was from the beach, me granny. I was just from the beach. I was training. I went to training, coming back with my friends. And then I saw this guy on the street on Namho. Had to pack. I cried. My classmates. Why you hit? Bandana from Ghana. Oh, why you hit? Hit. We were expecting him to go. All of a sudden, like on the street, sabi, on your junkie, but I thought, why? Charles. So I was from the beach, Bandana for Timincheng. I had to pack. Called him in front of Blue Lagoon where he stayed with his friends. And I said, what happened? And he said, Charlie, this is life. I cried.
Mommy can't show us the society that we are in. The tenants of the society, can't tenant. So by now we will society, that makes the people who they are. Your society more. People are not making great, they make it by themselves, not through anybody's help. Anything I Shatta Wale, say I am self-made, and then I'm meeting us here because only maybe so we share a bra. We go to there are not even structures in the music industry. Not on one struggle and net where do pensubia massa. I say, kai me brand say na what kai glory na be you know. But Ghana there kai glory they pay kai brand no. No matter what, I said the guy is real because what he has passed through, I don't think I can pass through. And And now our mama will say, Shatta Wale is not demonic as we thought he is. And your circumstances that has made him what? A demon. And it's going to make us say, the society near one, especially to the government, don't make demons out of the youth. Or you regret it. Or you are ye. Or you are so ye. Wasan can send me. Asem no kan no. Anu so ekwatimra. Yaba, matchroom.
They say, I'm not wishing you. I'm being, hey, won't come catch them. Now be a call because the Pacona are yet correct. Or no, or be call him, or no, be in him. Seven out in a bar and it's all be able to be a booby. Sami, so that's me come back. Nagan and him guasi. Eh? Some more met me a bon. Some more almost met me a bon. Mushe because pressure moves slow. Everybody is scared. You scared. You cowards. Now big of one Ghana ko ni na de na say ya. Mun kofo na ye ka say ye di I go say asumesi we bo e na me ko jita me bo na me boy no. Aden na mu man beka. Say no kwa. Ba e mu de say ye ni pa ko. You people didn't even come out to come and talk. Say na no kwa. Na me first penalty taker. Yeah, kanu players now move on. Other than want to me out, I'm back. Said, and the fans can be the fans. They can do whatever they want to say. But Muna move on, come and defend it. Because you were scared and because they are mentioning my name, because I was all over the place, I was loved by the people. You instigate them to talk bad about me. Really? What I say? Players now, the people around you. I just know more count to come no more to Mecca. Because I didn't really know who you. So don't go behind the scene and thank for say, oh, now you see. Then outsiders, what people think about me, they don't know. You don't say it. How many years? And I assume I say or no never and I me got really? Now you me mum. Me more now because what penalty am I saving? Ah, then I said, say me because shut up about penalty. I said the fans can be the fans. They have their opinion. They don't understand the things. Sometimes we need to educate them for them to understand that this is what happened. But no malaria na me who na me ko share eno there you didn't say it. 10% me who na me really? These are patriotic citizens, people who die for their country. So when you don't see, you face calamities and then you understand. You understand? Because they are happy. Those people are happy. People are bashing me. They are happy. So they don't come and fire. No, because they know some they are there. So people say, oh, I feel they so they won't say it. So no. Cowards. Let me tell you, they are cowards. Me, I always step up. I always step up. I rise up to the occasion. I always step up.
Yengina carried the famous penalty mix in South Africa 2010 by ASAMOAH. Kwasiaphobia no more party politics. Say the guy intentionally did it. So what Jimmy Papa what because I know him answer. If you can see the passion of these players, 2010, they wanted to make Ghana proud. But what God says, no man can say yes. God knows how it is. So we lost to Uruguay. Now, ASAMOAH said, when those stupid voices came, he was expecting his former players, Sule Muntari, my Christian, Stephen Abia, to back him and say, the boy didn't deliberately lose it. But they were quiet. They were mute. And then Yano. And then Yao say, hey, Sana Motie. Baby, I would be Sana Motie. But someone money in your ya. Yeah, another video. ASAMOAH. Okay, say, Ewiase. Or the name kwa boy for here by young Comra.
Because I trusted people. Omu boo me Jimmy Sika. And I didn't know bebre. But me say you boo me. And you put it from my pocket. Omu yes, I said, Obia, Omu nyad boo me. But because of my clean heart. Because I allowed it. I made myself vulnerable. For people to use me. Because I'm a ASAMOAH, you are a public figure. For people to benefit. But people benefited from my name. At the end of the day, what was my payback? Disgrace, insults, painted me black. Mina me papa maono, masida to pay is to paint me black in front of people for all what I've done. Wholeheartedly. When I'm doing something on God. And people see it. People who are deep, they know it, they feel it in their heart. The kind of person I am. By the public eye, they won't kind to say, but they know. 2025, it's not, me go general puppet too. I'm a normal, being missing, will be original puppet. 2025, those people, someone by Bobia, they should go and ask for protection because what is coming on them, I won't mention names. Who will protection India? Like I say, hey, my head in Bonnie, na NC Bibiano. Because you know what is coming. Everybody knows. Omo ma bear me dano. Omo ma bear me dano. And people who see me as a bad person, they know. They know what is coming. Because they've been with me and they know, say, it's in the enemy. Omunim say, it's in the enemy. Omunim say, why me bonia? 2025. We are in it. We are Ghana, ha? Eh? I've been in the room for almost time now with the buyer. So Kevin Taylor, Onyeshi, I like that man. People can say when he's talking passionate. Then you say, I come and I say, why you mean Tino? No, me tie asem na work. You be about 5 million BB. And you no po anka. Man dream po anko 5 million BB po asset. I don't know the truth about it. Sir, no. But on po na mama dream anko so say and I say ebia omu di anim na omu ko introduce nko ne brand mu. Sika bi bedu omu nsem. And I'm gonna say, oh, me a free guy, I'll just do it without even. Penimo be a bit down on Bisa, said, I've been on Bisa. What's I say? So, Kevin Taylor, me that's papa. Me, I love you as a brother. I always think about the message. I don't think about the messenger. There are evil people in this country who don't deserve to be in this country. The word Ghana is a blessed country. But one time you to me because of Fina and Bataya Hono. Safino. Opa Safino. if you want, you will see. And Ghana no obedient to me. There are debts. There are debts. What you say? So me today, I know. Ain't you know? Say more about the family. Now me dream say. Even po and this is po never far me. I know say. It's for the people. Me, we make my 99% I am with politics. But me, say 1% now me wo mu there. It's for the youth. I mean the one for because come me kwa me wo no mpuno. Me am be to be bottom ska. Me in cost for sponsorship. Adibwa. It is a menya bigger capacity like government. Ebema me sika no ajuno. Me use government ska di abwa. Me fa government ska name me butomu. Me use the abwa because in my own pocket kwa me boa. That is why I decided to join MPP. Not knowing, they were using my popularity because people are upset. So they want to use my popularity because I have a lot of fans in Ghana. When I'm in this political party, automatically, all the people will go there strategically. And that was how I was used. That was how I was used. Me now, me doing Ghana, who say, me now high capacity to work with the government. I be born for Sana omu momno, omu use me popularity no to get my fans to vote for them.
ASAMOAH, take this from me. I put away the mark, family chow. Free advice. Share areas two things. Don't expect anything from anybody in life. Number two, when you do good to somebody, don't expect anything in return. Or you always be what? You'll be sorry. Nyame pa question say, Papa, I shouldn't expect anything back. Now who say Ghana, that is our being. That is who we are. It's who we are, dear men, Ghana, can say, me home. Forget about Ghana. Meaning say, ASAMOAH can last one, women may be a feeble. You trusted people too much, even your family, even your brother. I'm telling you. I keep on telling you, say you are trusting too much. But one thing I make can I say, don't trust human being too much, except Jehovah. But one thing if you put all your trust in people without looking at things, at the end of the day, you see yourself being a fool. But how do you mean? Nyame obe pejaw. Nyame be shawa nemu. Nyame ena obe tuya enye nipa ne betuya oka. Ni nipa ye nyina to twene. One yes a bitter person. And once you become bitter, you can't fulfill your full potential. To be part of. ASAMOAH, Adjobro, Ghana, a people to say they will respect you and cherish you. I expose GHFM members. I don't subscribe here. Subscribe here to plan now. Sakabimano.
Keep watching Xposed, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.